Good morning. Heading to the gym. felt very good. And I got some errands to do because my mom is coming into town tomorrow. And I'm excited. So she's gonna be here for a bit, and I'm still like trying to settle in because I just moved. I need to do some grocery shopping. Pea milk. So this is a vegan protein, and I use 2 scoops, and I also use pea milk and water. And the pea milk gives me more protein because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not going to get all the protein I need from my meals. It's just not gonna happen for me. At one point I used to do that, like try to get it from my meals, and I just felt like a glutton. It's too much food for me to eat in order to get that much protein. So I'm sorry, I just can't be eating all those meals. My body needs time to digest what I eat so that I can expel what I eat, if that makes sense. Because if you just keep eating, like, you don't give your body enough time to even just process what you ate, you know, and then flush it out. So you gotta listen to your body. You got to know your body. Hi. May I have 3 each of the chicken kebabs and 3 beef patties? Yes. Yes. Thank you. I'm so hungry, I can eat a cow. I feel like I can eat a cow.
So why you have less chicken?
So which one do you want?
This piece here.
Okay, so this is my meal. So I got veggies, chicken, rice, a lamb kebab. Hot. Oh man.